Peace in the tourism island of Samal was shattered late Monday evening when 11 armed men on board 2 motorbangkas arrived at the yacht docking site of Holiday Ocean View Resort. It was around 11:23, says a Davao del Norte PNP, when the men approached a lighted yacht of a Japanese couple.
Lumaban sila at napukpok yung ulo nila pero tumalon sila dun sa dagat kaya hindi sila nakuha.
Police say Canadians John Ridsell and Robert Hall, Norwegian Kjartan Sekingstad, and a Filipina only identified as Tess went out of their yachts to check the commotion. Failing to abduct the Japanese, Gadingan says the armed men instead kidnapped the 4 tourists and went towards Compostela Valley. There's a CCTV footage of the incident, but police say it's too dark to identify the suspects. They say everything happened in about 15 minutes.
Posible talaga na na i-transfer kung sakali na nailabas na dito sa area of responsibility ng Region 11. Maaari ding transfer ng ibang sasakyan, bangka din na mas malaki siguro or anything na pwedeng maitago yung captives na ano.
As the police begin probing the case, the armed forces has deployed Task Force Samal and Naval Forces Mindanao to go after the kidnappers. Intelligence officers are now in the coastal areas of Davao Gulf.
Our Army forces, Naval forces, and Air Force forces are working hand in hand with this task force led by the police to locate and hopefully rescue those who were abducted last night.
No group has owned up to the kidnapping, but Gadingan recalls a foiled abduction in Samal Island in 2001 that involved the Abu Sayyaf. While Malacanang says it's doing everything to go after the armed men, it cannot pinpoint possible culprits this early. The Canadian Embassy says it is deferring any comment, a position also taken by the Norwegian Embassy. George Kailes, CNN Philippines.